Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. And this price have continued to rise today. I'm happy to see Shibadoge continue to bump. Now Shibadoge, I've got a prediction for this year. We're expecting Shibadoge to delete 2 zeros, which is about 10,000% increase in price. That is to say, if Shibadoge gain almost 10 listening this year, between 7 to 10 listening this year. So, but the way Shibadoge is really increasing, the way the price, the way the market cap has been increasing recently, the way people have been searching about Shibadoge, we are expecting this coin to really increase. And don't be surprised to see Shibadoge hitting over 100,000 or 1,000,000% before the end of the year. This year, but I've been saying this last year. That this year is going to be a bullish year, based on my opinion. I quote, based on my opinion, this year is going to be a bullish year. Now, I was happy when I said that in so many of my videos that this year, but from the beginning of this year, 1st of January, we also what has been happening. Bitcoin has been increasing in price. Shibadoge has been increasing in price. For the first time in history, for the first time ever, Shibadoge market cap hit about $36 million, all the way from $6 million. That was amazing. I was so happy to see Shibadoge at that level, and also maintaining a market cap of over $30 million since then. Today is the end. We'll soon be ending this February today, and I believe the next few hours we'll be entering March, and I hope to see this Shibadoge continues with that level of market cap. And you can see already they have been gaining a lot of support. About 2 or 3 new crypto exchange have actually listed this coin. So we feel like, wow, this is amazing. I mean, this bump in price and mostly on the market cap have actually attracted L-Bank, have actually attracted Bitmat. I'm happy to see these exchanges listing Shibadoge. That is to say, if Shibadoge community developers will continue the hard work, if they will continue with what they are doing right now, because right now they are on the right track, Shibadoge is going to gain more support, more listening globally. Wow, I'm hoping that the community of Shibadoge, the holders, will continue to show the great support they have been showing for Shibadoge coin. And this coin is going to create a lot of millionaires if Shibadoge, I quote, hit the level of Shiba Inu. Then of course you and I, we are going to be among the people. I'll be smiling. I'm hoping to see this coin, though I know that it is not easy, because my target on Shibadoge is over 10,000%. Right now, this coin still trade with a zero of about 16 zeros at the time of recording this. So imagine deleting between 2 to 6. That is a huge profit. That is a huge profit. That is a huge ROI, return on investment. Now I'm hoping for Shibadoge to continue to pump. I'm hoping for Shibadoge to continue to rise. I'm hoping that this year, before the end of the year, we'll be getting listing on Binance, on Coinbase, on Get.io, on Crypto.com, and other top crypto exchanges. Thank God that Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, is actually on the right track also. BTC has been increasing for the first time in the past 6 or 7 months. Bitcoin, the great giant, the great crypto leader, is now trading at over $25,000. Wow. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, I believe that if Shibadoge continue this way, the developers, they need to create a better plan. They need to come with a plan on destroying Shibadoge tokens. Shibadoge have a lot of tokens. So that is one thing that actually so many people are not really getting attracted by Shibadoge. People are looking at the tokens Shibadoge have. So if Shibadoge can really destroy, if they can burn, 50% of their remaining supply, Shibadoge is going to gain more attention. But